bless to Earl 16 every time. And here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get Silver Links up
This is
here.
the Father.
And this is the Son.
From the Silverlink sound system out of London, England.
We are pleased to announce our involvement in the Reggae Unification One Sound Festival in
Portugal, Lisbon.
The dates are July the 24th, the 25th, and 26th of 2026. And we are pleased to announce our involvement in the One Sound Unification Reggae Festival. And don't know, say we will be there
in Lisbon, Portugal.
I tell you, big up to Silver Links, I'm telling you.
This is Damien Dillinger from Bass Odyssey Sound System. That's right, the sound from in the country. The sound from Alexandria, St. Ann, Jamaica. And we are proudly announcing right now that Bass Odyssey Sound System will be at the One Sound Unification Reggae Weekend Festival starting from the 24th of July until the 26th